Is Blogify worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will do a review on Blogify and if it's worth it or not. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link in the description below in where you get special discounts right here in Blogify. So yeah, so let's start on with the review. So it says right here in Trustpilot that Blogify has a 4.8 out of 5 star review. So as you can see right here that a lot of people really like using Blogify. Just like this guy right here, Jed said that I've been using Blogify for a while now and I have to say it's been an absolute game changer for my blogging experience. The platform is incredibly user friendly, even for some like me who's not super tech savvy. So setting up my blog was quick and easy thanks to the clean, intuitive interface. Next is we have LB right here. So as a solopreneur and creator, it's a lot doing it all. I've avoided having a blog for some time as I just didn't have the time to put into creating and managing one while I was doing everything else, especially with making content on YouTube. However, Blogify made it easy for me to make the decision to add a blog as a supplemental piece to my work. I can easily take all the work and knowledge I put into making a video and have Blogify create a unique written blog piece to supplement my videos. They also give the ability to automatically add affiliate links to your blog posts, making it easier to monetize and take me less time as I do not need to look up all the possible links. So yeah, so as you can see right here, a lot of people right here are leaving a lot of good reviews when they used Blogify. So yeah, so here are the plans right here for Blogify. So we have the $3.99 plan, the $15.99 plan, the $31.99 plan, the $39.99 plan, and the $79.99 plan. So when you click on the link in the description below, all of these plans right here will be up to 20% discount if you click on the link in the description below. So moving on, let's move on to the comparison between all of these plans. So for the total credits per month, you'll get 50 credits for the $13.99. For the basic one, you'll get 150 credits. The premium one, you'll get 300 credits. And the business one, you'll get 500 credits. And then lastly, for the enterprise, you will get 1,000 credits. Next is the blog platform. So for the light one, you'll get the YouTube. For the basic one, you'll get YouTube, SoundCloud. For the premium one, you'll get like YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, and a lot more. Same goes with the business and enterprise plan. Next, we have the source file size. So for the light one, you'll get 30 megabytes. For the basic one, you'll get 50. The premium one, you'll get 100. The business one, you'll get 150. And for the enterprise, you'll get 200. Next is for the source file duration. So for the light one, you'll get 30 minutes. The basic, you'll get 40. The premium will get 60. The business, you'll get 120. And the enterprise, you'll get 180. For the autopilot blog creation, you will have those for all of the plans. For the Copilot blog creation, you won't have that in the light and basic plans, but you will have that for the rest of the upper plans right here. Same goes for the SEO score and optimization, so you won't have that in the light and basic plan, but you will have that for the rest of the plans. For the word count, all the plans have unlimited word count, and for the language support and blogs, all of them have 150. Next is the publish on custom domain, so the business and the enterprise plan have that. For the custom domain traffic, it's to be announced. And then for the scheduled blog post, it's not available for the light plan, but the rest of the plans, they are available. And then affiliate monetization with AI, you'll have that for all of the plans. Same goes with analytics. For the team, first you'll start with 1 seat with the light plan. The basic plan, you'll get 2 seats. The premium plan, you'll get 3 seats. The business plan, you'll get 5 seats. And 10 seats for the enterprise plan. For the writing snippet, which is an add-on, you'll have that for the business and the enterprise plan. Same goes with the YouTube Connect. And for the YouTube Connect Pro, this is only available for the enterprise plan. And then lastly, so you have the round-the-clock email and chat support. So you won't have that for the light and basic plan, but you will have that for the rest of the plans. So yeah, so again, if you click on the link in the description below, you'll get a 20% discount right here by availing these plans. So yeah. That's pretty much it, the review for Blogify and if it's worth it or not. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.